Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another adventure in Ferrari land. As you can see behind me, I have just taken in a new Ferrari into the collection. This is a 348 TS. It's a 93 car, pretty low mileage, 29,000 miles on it. Let's turn the camera around. I'll give you a little tour. I'll explain what I want to do with the car and talk you through it. So like I say, it's a 93 car. It's a TS. It's just prior to them changing the model to a GTS. It's a nice car. It's a 29,000 mile car. Also, of course, with tan and black interior. Really quite nice, actually. Let me explain what I want to do. Let's open up the hood. So we got some tools in there, car covers. Let's open up the other garage door, get some more light in here. Here we go. Some other toys. Anyway, this is the standard bit of wood to make sure that the engine lid stays open. So, I've already started and I'll put a video together of some of these things that I'm doing. So we've redone the airbox, also the exhaust covers. Cam covers done on that side. So typically with 348s, cam cover, as you can see down here, they always suffer with the paint chipping off. So we've done one, we need to do the other. I might start doing that one again today. But again, really with a lot of Ferraris, people tend to keep the outsides clean and everything that looks good exterior wise. They always forget to do engines. So I did start to clean up down here, top of the gearbox. Like I say, done the cam cover over here. But yeah, just really to give the engine a good clean up. Interior on the car, that looks all good. It's not too bad at all. And then externally, things like wheel badges, these are all going to get replaced. Give it a good clean up, get underneath the car. Everything works on it. Pretty decent car, but just needs a bit of elbow grease, a bit of cleaning up, a bit of polishing. But it's not bad, it drives nicely. And yeah, probably going to spend a week doing this engine. In between doing this and the other cars, 308 really. Got to get back on the 308, do some more investigation on that. But yeah, things like this all just needs re-gluing. A nice car, we'll take it for a drive in a bit. We'll do another video with it driving out. So we're inside the 348 now. It's a really nice place to be. It's elegant and just simple. Yeah, it's not cluttered. It's a cool cockpit, let's put it that way. So, you know, a really nice contrast this car as well. I really like, I don't think I've ever had a tan with black, yeah, and it looks really cool. I'll definitely have this again. So, seats, real cool, nice, elegant design. Quite slim, slender. Look good in this tan leather, like I say. Same with the door cards, they look good. Just little details like this. They didn't incorporate this onto the 355 and I really quite like this. Just gives it a bit of a better look. What else have we got? Let me spin the camera around. See the rear view, not too bad on a 348, pretty good. Got a nice curved rear screen, gives you pretty decent rear visibility. Obviously we got the Targa car here, so you've got the best of both worlds. Let me spin the camera around, we'll show you the dash. So again, a cool place to be, really nice, very 80s, early 90s with the orange dials, very cool, very Testarossa-like. Steering wheel, one thing I really like on the 348, it's the same as a 512 Testarossa steering wheel. This was kind of pre-airbags, and yeah, really cool looking, pretty 3-spoke steering wheel with the classic Ferrari horn. Nice clean cabin. A few dials here, you got your AC, everything works in the car. You got your classic 5-speed shifter, original gear knob, nothing's been changed here, it's all as it came from the factory. Ashtray, coin holder, a little compartment here for storage, your hidden stereo. That's the only thing that's not original, that's been upgraded. You know, your pop-up lights, everything like that. Really cool. Everything works on the car. We've got a glove box. Obviously, 355, later cars, they eventually went to have a airbag there. Mirrors, all your mirror switches, windows, electric windows on the car. So yeah, really cool cockpit, I like it. The contrast is really good. We've got the black upper dash, some tan, black carpets, and the tan seats, so it really goes well. It's probably one of the nicest kind of interiors on a Ferrari, the colour scheme wise, that I have seen. I've definitely ordered this again, something like this. Anyway, that's the dash. 3 pedals, yeah. One thing I do notice, and I forgot this about the 348, is just how heavy that clutch is. They definitely improved that on a 355. So those of you that would have spotted, yep, the roof panel on the car has been resprayed. It's a little bit unfortunate. I do like to keep cars looking original. It actually looks like a very, very decent Targa panel there. All the kind of roof line and the carpeting looks very clean. So it's a shame it's been sprayed, but we can look at that. But the car looks cool without the roof panel, the Targa. It really does. I'm quite looking forward to getting out and having a drive in that. This, believe it or not, is January weather here in the UK. It's not actually that cold, and it's blue skies. So this baby is going to get a drive out shortly. So almost 20 years ago, my first Ferrari was a 348. I had a Spider. It was a 94 car. Again, it was a left-hand drive. It was Rosso Corsa, but it had black leather. Really cool car. I kept it for 3 years. I wasn't really looking to get another 348, but this has come about. But so far, thumbs up. I like it. Like I say, it's going to get a light restoration, just really a bit of elbow grease, cleaning up the engine, just giving it good polish, getting into all the little bits and areas that kind of get neglected a little bit on Ferraris, and see what we can do with it. But I like it. It's cool. The drive so far has been a nice, pleasant drive in it, and We'll do another video of driving out in the car after this, but yeah, so far so good. Let us know what you feel, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Cheers.